Hello students, today we will discuss about zeroth law of thermodynamics. Definition. When two systems are in thermal equilibrium with third one, then these two systems are in thermal equilibrium with each other also. Let us suppose we are having a system A at temperature T1. System A is in thermal equilibrium with system B. Here is system B whose temperature is T2. And system A is also in thermal equilibrium with system C whose temperature is T3. Here we have considered three systems. System A at temperature T1, system B at temperature T2 and system C at temperature T3. System A is in equilibrium with system B. System A is in thermal equilibrium with system C. Now we have to prove that if system A is in equilibrium with B and system A is in equilibrium with C, then system B and C are also in thermal equilibrium. Now, as system A and B are in thermal equilibrium, it means temperature of both the systems will be same. That is, T2 will be equal to T1. Let us suppose this is equation 1. And similarly, if a system A and C are in thermal equilibrium, it means temperature of system A will be equal to temperature of system C. Therefore, T1 is equal to T3. Let us say this is equation 2. On comparing equation 1st and 2nd, we get T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T3. Hence, T2 is equal to T3. Or we can say temperature of a system B is equal to temperature of system C, which is zeroth law of thermodynamics. Because system B and system C are also having same temperature. It means system B and system C are in thermal equilibrium. Importance of zeroth law. This law is the basis of temperature measurement. Thanks and motivation by Mr. Ram Singh, Department of Physics, Government PG College, Hisar. Thank you. Have a nice day.